Imagine holding your breath underwater while your body screams for air, or being dropped into enemy territory with seconds to react. Navy SEALs live in situations where panic means death, yet they remain calm. What's their secret, and how can you use it in your own life? Under pressure, your body betrays you. Heart racing, shallow breathing, tunnel vision. Most men let panic take control, but SEALs use a simple psychological trick to flip the switch. They call it box breathing. Box breathing is a technique where you control your breath in 4 equal steps. Breathe in for 4 seconds. Hold for 4 seconds. Exhale for 4 seconds. Hold again for 4 seconds. Repeat the cycle. It sounds simple, but it's powerful enough to keep warriors calm during combat. Here's why it works. Controlled breathing slows your heart rate. It pulls your mind away from fear. And it reprograms your body to respond with clarity instead of chaos. It's not magic. It's biology, weaponized. You don't need to be in combat to use this. Box breathing works before a big speech, a high-stakes meeting, even during arguments. Anytime pressure hits, you can flip the switch, just like a SEAL. Calm isn't weakness. Calm is control. Ancient warriors used rituals. Modern warriors use science. But the principle is the same. Master your breath, and you master your mind. The difference between panic and power is just a breath away. The Navy SEALs trick isn't just for soldiers. It's for any man who wants to stay calm, sharp, and unshakable under pressure. Breathe like a warrior. If you've made it this far, subscribe to Inner Titan so you don't miss out.